Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 axes. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Megaton V-Axe. Specifications. Brand name, Megaton. Origin, TR Origin. Overall length, 33 to 41 centimeters. Weight, 500 kilograms. Handle material, wood. Type, hammer axe. Axe head material, high carbon steel. Axe head type, single bit. The item number 2 is, Laowa Axe with Hanging Bag. Specifications. Brand name, Laowa. DIY supplies, woodworking. Is _customized, yes. Overall length, 318 millimeters. Weight, 600 grams. Model number, LA 144600. Handle material, fiberglass. Type, axe head. Axe head material, high carbon steel. Axe head type, single bit. Features, multifunctional. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, hammer axe. Specifications. Brand name, Yefev. DIY supplies, camping. Is _customized, yes. Overall length, 40 centimeters. Weight, 750 grams. Model number, Tomahawk axe. Handle material, fiberglass. Type, hammer axe. Axe head material, high carbon steel. Axe head type, single bit. Features, dismountable, multifunctional. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.